In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Ads CPC, how to lower cost per click and improve conversions. We'll walk through the essential views and optimizations that directly influence what you pay and how well you convert, keeping everything practical and easy to follow. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account. From the main dashboard, head to the keywords area of your search campaigns. This is where you can see which terms are driving spend and performance. If you can, set a recent date range with sufficient data so your decisions are grounded in meaningful volume. Next, customize your view so you can diagnose what's really affecting costs. Click columns, then modify columns, and add quality score along with its components. Add relevance, expected CTR, and landing page experience. These signals feed your ad rank and strongly influence CPC. A higher quality score generally means you can win auctions at a lower price. Once those columns are visible, prioritize your attention on keywords with a quality score below 5. These terms tend to inflate CPC and depress volume. Sort by quality score ascending, then look at which low scoring keywords also spend the most or get the most impressions. That's your shortlist. You can pause clear underperformers, but often it's better to fix what's driving the low score first. Refine your keyword strategy by tightening intent. Favor phrase and exact matches for higher control, and build negatives based on the search terms report to filter irrelevant traffic. Group closely related keywords into focused ad groups so each ad can speak directly to the query. Long tail, high intent phrases usually bring better CPCs and stronger conversion rates. Now, improve ad relevance and expected CTR. Mirror the user's query in your headlines, lead with a compelling value proposition, and include a clear next step. Use responsive search ads with a variety of strong, distinct headlines and descriptions, and add assets like site links, callouts, and structured snippets to boost visibility and clicks. Keep messaging specific to each ad group theme. Enhance landing page experience by matching the ad's promise on the page. Use a clear headline aligned to the keyword, make the page fast and mobile friendly, and reduce friction in forms or checkout. Keep content focused, helpful, and trustworthy, and ensure tracking works so smart bidding can learn accurately. Finally, implement smart bidding adjustments that match your goal. If you optimize for leads or sales, consider maximize conversions with a target CPA or target ROAS when values vary. Set realistic targets, allow the learning period to complete, avoid frequent bid strategy changes, and use seasonality adjustments when you expect short-term conversion shifts. Review these columns weekly, iterate on keywords, ads, and pages, and you'll steadily push CPC down while lifting conversions.